I think another aspect that sets Building a Legacy apart from the OG of home shows is growth. Growth within ourselves, growth in the industry, and you can't help but see how different we look at a job and the things we can create now with working with interior designers, how we've grown that way. We never used to work with designers. Our houses used to be blank.
Oh, we know.
So we never used to work with designers, you know what I'm saying? We used to, because we focus so much on behind the walls, which is, like I said, the most important part of a renovation, a build, anything, we would give it back blank and here's your house, it's finished, it's beautiful. But now we have the opportunity to work with these wonderful designers and really create a unique, beautiful space.
There are also a lot more behind the scenes family moments in this show compared to Homes on Homes. I mean, behind the scenes with our family, behind the scenes with the families that we're helping. I mean, you're really getting to know these families, why they ended up where they are, you know, the contractors that maybe put them in a bad spot, or just the hardships of life in general.
Which I think that's very important as well. Everyone is going to be suffering or going through some kind of hardship in life. So it makes it so much more relatable to know that, hey, you're not alone. This person's also suffering for these reasons. And you get to kind of go through a renovation with us and with homeowners.